Human Anatomy and Physiology extra credit assignment is stop-motion film on the functionality of the renal nephron. The nephron is the main functional unit of the kidney and the renal system. Not only is this the site where toxins are filtered from blood, but also where urine is formed. The first step in this process is filtration, where dirty blood is forced through the walls of the glomerulus and into Bowman's capsule. This is due to hydrostatic and osmotic forces, aka Starling forces. The filtrate then goes to the proximal convoluted tubule where bicarbonate, water, amino acids, glucose, and salt are reabsorbed into the blood. This is done by both active and passive transport. In the video, the pink ions represent chloride ions being excreted from the filtrate and reabsorbed into the interstitial fluid. Hydrogen ions are excreted in this area and other compounds are reused. After the proximal tubule, where the vast majority of reabsorption happens, the filtrate is then pumped into the loop of Henle, which reabsorbs salt and water. The descending limb of the loop of Henle is permeable to water, so water is lost from the filtrate due to osmosis into the interstitial fluid. The filtrate then moves into the ascending limb in the loop of Henle. Sodium chloride is actively pumped out or secreted back into the extracellular space. In the video, you can see the blue water molecules leaving the filtrate into the interstitial fluid and the green sodium chloride electrolytes following suit. The ascending loop is impermeable to water. NaCl will be actively pumped out until the interstitial fluid is 200 osmoles per liter, more concentrated than the tubular fluid in the ascending limb. The tubular fluid or filtrate continues to decrease in volume throughout this limb due to salt leaving the space and the inability of water to enter. The next step is the distal convoluted tubule, where sodium and water are reabsorbed and hydrogen potassium is secreted. The purple dots in the video are the potassium ions. The DCT passes the filtrate to a collecting duct where urine gathers. And the urine then moves from the collecting duct into the renal pelvis of the kidney. From the renal pelvis, it travels through the ureters into the urinary bladder and into the urethra where the urine leaves the body. Fun facts: not all plasma is filtered at once. However, plasma is passed through these processes about 12 times a day. Glomerular filtration rate is the amount of filtrate formed in all renal corpuscles of both kidneys per minute. GFR helps to maintain our body's homeostasis.